What's up, everybody? This is Jason with Flex Lawn Care Service, here to give you another lawn care video. Today what I thought I would do, because I need to fill up this can, is show you how to mix oil and gas. There's a lot of these small engines that you have with these lawn care equipment. They require that you make a mix of gas and oil. A lot of the lawn mowers, you do the oil and the gas separately, and stuff with like automobiles and everything, you might notice that those are separate as well. But with these small engines, a lot of times you'll have these two-stroke engines that require an oil and a gas, which means that you have to mix it. And that might, if you've never done that before, you might be a little intimidated with that. So I figured I'd show you the process. So right here I have a 2-gallon gas can, and if you were what my recommendation to you is that you have a gas can that is made just for gas and another one that is made for your gas and oil mix, because you don't want to be putting a gas and oil mix into, say, your lawnmower that only requires gas. So what I've done is I've already I put in one already, but this is a 2-gallon tank, and you'll see that these oils, this one, it'll tell you this is a 1-gallon mix. So for this can, you're gonna need 2 of these. So I've already put one in. I'm gonna put another one in here, and I'll just kind of poke it a little bit. And then you just pour it, you pour it right in. And then after that, we're not at a gas station right now, but I have a gas can over there. What you'll do then is you'll just fill up the gas all the way up to this mark right here. So I put 2 oils in there. I need to fill this up to the 2-gallon mark. All right, guys, so just real quick, I want to show you here. I've filled this up with gas, and I put it up to this 2-gallon mark right here. And then you should be good to go. Once you've, let's see, just shake it up. And another thing I would recommend is that you label your cans, which one's mixed and which one is just regular gasoline. I got my regular gasoline tank right here, but this one will say just mix. And once you've mixed it up, you're good to go. It should be able to just put into your your 2-stroke small engines. You just mix it and you pour it right into whatever tank you have on your equipment. Here you can see that it'll have like an plus oil mark on it and a gas that kind of tells you that it is an engine that needs the oil and the gas. But that's pretty much it. Some people make it sound a lot more complicated, that there's some sort of like chemistry that you need to do, but no. Once you have done this equal parts, 1 gallon to 1 bottle or 1 gallon mix, just make sure you're getting the ratios correct. You just mix it up, you're good to go. You can throw it in there and then start it up. I'll do another video on starting up the equipment that needs this type of oil and gas mix. So yeah, if you have any other questions regarding this, hit me in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, be great. That's another video. Until next time, peace.